你好，我是 Katrina, your Mandarin teacher here at Smart Mandarin. In this video, I have an announcement to make, which is I'm hosting my very first webinar. I'm very excited about that and I can't wait to share with you guys. The topic of this webinar is how to order drinks in Mandarin Chinese. If you want to know how to order drinks to exactly how much ice and how much sweet you want in Mandarin Chinese, you cannot miss out on this webinar. I will show you exactly how to order your drinks step by step with my professional PowerPoint in 30 minutes, teaching you how to order your drink exactly what you want in Mandarin Chinese. After this webinar, you will be able to download the material and replay the webinar lesson as many times as you want. Oh, by the way, did I say that the webinar is free of charge? Because that is my very first webinar, so I want to make it free of charge. So here is how you can join my webinar lesson. Just hit the link down below in the description box. If you haven't enrolled, just hit enroll for free and then you will go into the page. Go to the page, you will see two links that I will host two webinars on the same topic in different times. So you just have to choose the time that you are available to join. And then it will take you to sign up page. When you are landing at the sign up page, remember to hit save my spot to complete the registration because the webinar is limited seated, so you have to hit save my spot. This is very important. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my very first webinar. 谢谢你们，再见。